Jersey cows can be so stubborn. I've got a treat for her. Yes, just for her. Because, well, she's my Hazel, right? And she don't want to come. She came running to me, but as soon as I put the halter on her, she doesn't want to come. Trust me. So this is how I'm going to train her, okay? I'm going to get her on this lead rope, okay? And every time she's on the lead rope, I'm going to give her some treats. So hopefully she doesn't like, hopefully she'll be okay with being on the lead rope. But this first time, I really just need you to come. I think she's being a little stubborn. What do you guys think? Come on. All right, well, I'm going to continue to work on this. Let's see how this goes. Come on. Come on. Oh, yes. Good girl. Oh, I spoke too soon. Come on. Come on. All right, let's push it from behind. Come on. Ow. That was my foot you stepped on. Thank goodness you're a mini. Come on. Come on. Come on. Hazel. Come on. She's so close. There's the bucket. Oh, you caught. Now she wants it. Yeah. Now you gonna listen? Huh? Yeah. You will listen now, won't you? All right. She got her treat. There you have it, guys. It only took about 15 minutes to get her to come. So, I'm going to take her a little walk around. I'm going to stop this food. We're going to walk, and then I'm going to treat her again. Little baby steps, right? That's what we're going to do. So she knows the food is up there. Probably won't want to leave though, that's the problem. But let's go for a little walk. Maybe she'll follow me if she knows she gets treats. I think so. So, yes. Good job, Hazel. She's like, you're going the wrong way. Food is over there. All right, fine. Let's go back. I understand. You're pregnant, and you're going to eat a lot. I'm trying to get her in the video with me. All right. Good girl. I guess that deserves a treat. Hazel, we need to make a deal now, okay? Every time I put the halter on you, you need to follow me. Because this is what you're gonna get, okay? This is what you're gonna get. We need to get you used to the halter again and into a routine. So I think I'm gonna start doing this regularly. I think that bucket is a little too full. I probably don't need to feed her that much, but it's good for her anyways. And yeah, I want to just start now giving her the best nutrients that we can because we will be milking her. So might as well start now. She's only got a few more months until she's due. And what's a little extra, you know, goodness for her to help kickstart that milking time of season for her. So guys, thanks so much for watching, and I hope you guys like, comment, and if you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe. Thanks so much.